Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I already started working in this journal. I'm still trying to find some kind of focal point to put on the cover, but I am not being successful in that because I thought I would put a cardinal on there, but I didn't like the way that looked. And on this page, I just put Bethany's name that my friend who used to watch our videos made this for Bethany, and she passed away. So I thought I would just put it in my journal for safekeeping. This is a picture of my grandson at his first dentist visit. I found some more foam ornaments that my kids had made, so I put them there. This is an envelope from a Christmas card that my granddaughter sent us, and I kind of need to cover that up. So, I'm going to get a little, let's see if I have a little, maybe I'll just use a clothespin. So anyway, on this page, what I wanted to do was put some of the packaging I have gotten lately. This I got for myself at Dollar Tree. It says compare to Olay Regenerist. I've heard that Olay Regenerist is pretty good. So I thought, well, why not try it? Can't hurt. And then I got the eye serum too. So I thought I could just kind of maybe glue these down and then have a little, I don't know. I don't know, but then I have all of these tags from like Christmas presents that I got the kids, grandkids. I've got 2 of these. I don't really need to, except that they're different. So I guess I will keep that. I got 3 of these, and I have 3 of these. This one is paper, and these are cardboard. It was a little mini spin wand that lights up for Christmas. I think I'm only going to keep one of those. And I think I'm only going to keep one of these. I have a Superman winter hat. And this was like a little Superman rubber ducky from Five Below. And so I am debating. I guess I'm going to keep both of these because they're slightly different. But not sure I want to do this on this page. I'm thinking that I might want to just put all of these on here with little flaps, but I don't know. I could make these inside, put some paper inside and journal on them. Maybe I'll do that. So yeah, this one doesn't open either. So I've got these 2 or 3 don't open. These 3 open. So I'll use these for like little journalings. And I don't know, maybe I will go ahead and put little brads in these, and then maybe I could put a picture underneath of them. That might work out nicely. Let's do that. These, I'm just going to poke a hole. I'm going to put them all along the edge here. I'm going to poke a hole, and let's see though. Yeah, maybe I could have them sticking out slightly. That might be nice. And I just like to poke a hole with this thing because I don't want the hole to be very big. And I think I'm going to use a blue button brad. I've got a lot of white button brads. Let's use a blue one for this. And my camera's been giving me trouble about focusing lately, so I'm a little concerned. Okay. And this one. Okay, let these all be sticking out just a teeny bit. Okay. And I will use a red brad for this one. then I'll have to figure out how to cover up my brads when I do the next layout, which might be my packaging, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I really want to use these or not. And we'll put this one right here. I know a lot of people do a lot of things with packaging in their journals, but I have never really done that much with packaging. I think I'll use an orange one for this. And so it's kind of new to me and not like coming naturally, you know what I mean? It's not what I would normally and naturally want to put in my journal, but some of them, these little tags are cute, like the Bluey and the Arthur one. They're cute. So they can go in there. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cover these up with paper that I can write on. And then I'm probably just going to glue these down as flips. Maybe I'll put this one at the top, and I can kind of have that be like my title. Maybe I'll do this. I think that's what I'll do. Something like that. So what I'm going to try to do is get... I'm just going to trace around it on this paper, and then I will do 2 of them. And yeah, that doesn't work. And I'll put one on each end. But first we gotta trace. And I'll probably speed up this process, and I'll only show you one because it's pretty self-explanatory. Gotta move up, don't I? I gotta put a mark on here on my desk of the area that I need to stay in, because not only was I out of focus in the last couple of videos, but in some of the parts I wasn't even on camera, so that would help. I think putting some kind of tape or something there, I think would help. Now I'm getting close to being off camera. I'll just show one, I think, you know? You don't need to see me keep doing this over and over. I could have just glued the page on. Maybe I'll try doing it that way too, and then cutting around it. That might work, and I'm wondering though if it's going to show through. It does show through a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I can still write on it. I got all these cute tags. Christmas tags from Dollar General that I want to use in this one. I'll probably use this one in my Christmas journal, but the rest of them are kind of generic, and I can use them in my just wintry journal, you know? I got so many of them because they were so pretty, and then I didn't really use much of them. Okay, that's alright. Now the next one, I'm going to just glue on top. And I have a lot of gluing papers. I just keep them and use them over and over again. There's a big hunk. Let's see if this is a better way to do it. And then we'll just cut around it. Fussy cut around it. I do kind of think this might be easier, especially if your tag is like a cardstock. If it was paper, it might not work better this way. Oh, I apologize if you hear my washing machine going. Gotta get stuff done. Okay, so I'm wondering if I should just kind of reinforce this flip here. Yeah. Get down there. Oh, again, I'm off camera. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that onto the page. But I'm going to use this one's going on the bottom. I'm going to use my, this one's not open yet. I got to finish up this one. Okay, Bluey, 3+. What's weird is these weren't that different from each other, so I don't understand why one it says 3+ and the other one doesn't have an H thing on it. It's kind of weird. There. Oh, it does have. It says 3+ on the back of this one. 3+ on the front of that one. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to do this one, but I'll do this one off camera, and I seem to have lost my little tiny one somewhere. Oh, there it is. I'll do these off camera. Alright, so this is my finished layout of tags. This one I put cardstock on the inside because I want to date stamp it. I have this date stamper, but it doesn't have any ink, so I have to use my little tiny. It also gets stuck, and then I forget what we did to get it unstuck. Oh, okay. So I have to hold it down and put ink on it like this. And I'm going to test it out first because I don't trust it. Oh, jeez. Let's see. That looks good. So we're going to do it. And this is when I was working on it yesterday. I was wrapping all the presents. And so I have the date now, and then I can write about whatever, or I can put pictures there, anything, you know. So that's that for this layout. I'm going to use these for another day, or maybe not even use them at all, but I'm going to stack them in there. And that's it for today. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe, and doing well. You're probably actually going to see this much later than, like today's the 18th, but probably more towards after Christmas. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you do have a very happy holiday season, and we will see you again. Bye-bye.